In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook Calendar with ClickUp. Keeping your schedules in sync is essential for managing tasks effectively, and integrating your Outlook Calendar with ClickUp is a great way to stay on top of everything. Whether you're juggling personal appointments, work deadlines, or team meetings, this connection ensures that all your important events are in one place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to link your Outlook Calendar to your ClickUp account so you can streamline your workflow and stay organized effortlessly. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open up ClickUp and locate your profile icon. You'll find this in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings. Once you've entered the Settings menu, scroll down until you come across the Calendar section. It might take a moment to locate, but you'll see it listed among other customization options. Next, within the Calendar section, look for the Outlook Calendar option and click on that. This is where we'll start the process of connecting your Outlook calendar to ClickUp. Once you're on this page, you'll see an option to create a personal connection. Select this option to begin linking the two systems together. Now it's time to initiate the sync process. You'll see a button labeled Connect. Click on it to proceed. At this point, a prompt will appear asking you to log in to your Outlook account. Enter your Outlook login credentials, which include your username and password. Be sure to enter them correctly to avoid any login issues. Depending on your account settings, you may also need to complete some additional security steps, such as two-factor authentication. If this is required, simply follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once that's done, the synchronization process will begin. At this stage, all you need to do is wait for the sync to complete. This might take a few moments, and during this time, ClickUp will load all of your existing calendar events from Outlook. Once the sync is fully complete, your Outlook calendar events will now appear seamlessly within your ClickUp calendar view. Before wrapping up, take a moment to verify that everything is working as expected. Open your ClickUp calendar and ensure that all your Outlook events are visible and correctly displayed. This confirms that the integration was successful. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. And that's it. You've successfully synced your Outlook calendar with ClickUp. By following these steps, you've now made it easier to manage your tasks and events in one centralized location. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.